Identity security is essential to your business, but creating and maintaining roles manually at the speed your business needs can be challenging. SailPoint's multi-tenant SaaS solution leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning to help organizations rapidly and efficiently deploy enterprise-grade identity security services. SailPoint's AI-driven identity security capabilities automate not only the creation and management of all user access, but also the controls that help you maintain a least privilege access model. Access modeling, part of SailPoint's AI-driven identity security, empowers you to instantly create and implement enterprise role models that fit your organization's needs. Using artificial intelligence and machine learning, it identifies each role's coverage, density, and uniqueness, while still allowing your team the flexibility to meet your enterprise's specific needs. Thanks to the streamlined process and AI support, you don't have to be an identity security expert to use access modeling. It's a guided system that automates the role mining and role creation process for you, including suggested common access roles and updates to ensure your access model remains current and effective. Ready to get started? In this video, we'll show how you can use access modeling to create roles more efficiently. To begin using access modeling, go into your Admin tab and click Role Insights. This is part of our command center, where you can see saved sessions, saved draft roles, and more. We'll start by creating a new common access role, which allows broad-based access, saving admins time and enabling application users to be productive from day one. This approach conforms to industry best practices. Once the common access roles are created, they can be eliminated from certification campaigns with identity outliers providing insights into anomalies. Additionally, by leveraging role insights, as we'll see later in this video, admins can continually adjust access across their entire organization. So, we can select these attributes: employee type, contractors, and seasonal. If you click the plus sign, it shows 65 identities that match the attribute filter. From here, click on Build Roles and select Discover Common Access Roles. This returns a composition of broad entitlements the system recommends, like Smartsheet Access. From here, you can refine entitlements or save the drafted access role by giving it a name and saving the session. Then, if needed, you can verify the specific role with internal stakeholders, or if it doesn't quite fit, go back to the session and create or select a different draft role from that session. After that, click Save, and the role has been created. If you click on All Drafts, you can see the draft that you just created under Draft Roles. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use Role Insights to manage your identity security hygiene. Role Insights relies on peer group analysis to change role requirements and suggest recommended entitlements. The appropriate entitlements can be added to the role with the click of a button, helping admins adjust roles effortlessly. This view shows how you're doing in your program. Here it shows that 20% of entitlements are included in managed roles. Ideally, we want this number to be at least 80%, because the higher the percentage, the lower your security risk. Here, you see that 50% of all identities have access via a role. Knowing this information helps manage your overall employee access securely and effectively. Down here, you can see suggested updates to roles that would need entitlement updates. In the left sidebar, you can see sessions and draft roles. Next, you can craft specialized roles using different attributes like department, job title, and location, and the ability to save your work for later verification with your stakeholders. We've gone through role discovery and have 4 potential roles. Now let's look for more specialized roles. We can adjust the granularity up to 85%, apply, and see what happens. There are 5 roles that have 100% similar access. Let's say that you want to work on this role. You can click and see the composition of entitlements as well as any excluded entitlements. Say you want to exclude this entitlement. You can reload and see all excluded entitlements here. You can also look at the ID overview. These are our identities. You can then save the draft or update the role to include the newly set entitlements. And that's it. These are just a couple of the powerful new features within Access Modeling that provide your organization with scalable and proper role access. Thanks for watching.